I'm at the mailbox. I'm picking up something that's very important, and it's one of the very important things on that list of 5 things we have to improve on the Fuso.
Let's rewind for a second in case you missed it.
Number 1 is we gotta fix the gear ratio. Number 2 is the power. Number 3, the clutch. Number 4 is the fuel tank. And number 5, not really a massive deal, not really a massive problem, but it's still annoying. Air filter housing is in here, and it gets a bit annoying when you're a long haul, like for hours and hours, you just drive with your car. We gotta fix that. So let's see what's in that box. Need something. They got a box from TDI Tuning. That means we're gonna be looking to gain that much needed power. So let's take this to Drew and open it up.
I thought you were bringing me pizza.
We got something from our cousins over in the UK. A little box.
A bunch of boxes.
That's so cute. Is it gonna boost the Fuso?
Selected mode.
Cable ties. Is it Fuso? It's a Fuso. All right.
Somewhere in there, yeah.
So we went on the website and picked out our exact model. Then after seeing the gains in power and torque, we made sure it was the right fit for our Fuso and we bought it. And even though it all seemed pretty clear,
Even the same motor in the picture.
we never thought it would be this damn hard.
Now the boost part, figuring out what's where. That's the big question here.
I don't know what 3-liter Mitsubishi motor this is. It's not this one.
Maybe it's just a generic.
Yeah, but it's like the boost sensor is located on the inlet manifold. Remove the female connector and attach your boost sensor. And connector attached to your boost sensor, identified by the blue arrow.
Yeah, it sounds like Chinese, well, Japanese actually. But if Drew, with everything he knows, can't figure it out, I think we're pretty screwed.
We're not winning. The TDI tuning doesn't seem to fit. Maybe it's for a different vehicle or something, but even on the website, I selected 2007 3-liter TD, and we just can't find what we need to find. And they gave us this, supplied this generic installation guide, but it's for a newer model, so this doesn't seem right. This is probably like a 2015, 2016 model or something like that, so this is not looking really good. Fuso's too weak without a boost. We gotta find a solution.
Or lose our money.
So after maybe like a dozen or 2 dozen emails with TDI back and forth, moment of truth coming soon. See if we have more power or not. Fingers crossed.
With all those wires, we couldn't get the system to link up, but maybe it was actually simpler than we thought.
All right, so a bit of a backstory here. We got something for a second attempt. We got the wiring harness from TDI Tuning. The first one was the wrong harness, but that may be our fault. There are too many Fuso, Kenter, Guts models and Fuso models out there, and we may have got the wrong cables. It's just the connectors, right?
I think everything's the same except for those little anties, right?
The plugs.
Plug
Yeah. So we did figure out that it's the 110 horsepower model, 81 kilowatts, and it was in front of us the whole time.
It wasn't in front of us, it was on the bench.
Yeah, on the bench.
It's like we're all in the back there.
We gotta find those plugs. We figured out the plugs and that the plugs were the issue. The tuning box is essentially the same. We'll just have to flash it.
Nice.
Boost is good. And what's the second one? Fuel.
Side of the boost.
Oh, okay. Click. I like when it clicks. And what's that one?
This is your fuel rail sensor.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, click.
No, this one's kind of fun, though.
That's in an impossible place, right?
I can't even see it.
That's a good sign.
That is a good sign.
That's a very good sign. We're connecting the phone app now with the device. Fingers crossed. We have one device available. Get pair. Our last digits, the serial number. We're not going to show that to the public. Successfully paired. Now we're going to request the latest map. Email address. Sorry. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woohoo! It's reading Mitsubishi Fuso Kenter 3-liter 110 PS. We're getting somewhere, but I don't want to get too carried away. Please make sure that the ignition is on, but the engine is off.
Yeah.
Confirm again. she's thinking. The LED lights are flashing like crazy, gaining all the power as the Fuso's fitting. Woo!
Oh, you're on 4, so set delay time. Wait, what that says?
It's working. Now it's setting, and it will go up to 6. No, stop at 6. We're gonna go down to 5.
5 and see if it'll start. If the truck still starts. Let's do the neutral thing.
First start.
I'll turn it off. Did you turn it off and let the glow plugs heat up?
No.
No, running. Did it give you any live data?
No.
Like
Control.
gauges or anything?
No. But it's running.
Well, I can switch the settings. I just want to see if gauges.
Yeah.
Woo! Feel more response.
Bite. All right. Gotta test drive it. Big day today because we are testing the TDI tuning fuel module tuning box. Let's go.
I think it's going to be more power in each gear. I don't know if it's going to be.
I don't know.